Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Then go to environmental. For my blog.
Oh my God, million of questions.
We're gonna put that in, see how the shops went, and we will announce those in like.
So now we are back from the workshop. The workshop was really great, huh?
Yeah,
And, okay, so,
we got a lot of ideas from all
yeah. It's kind of like a big inspiration and idea. It's so cool. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to our homes, our dorm, and what we're gonna do next. What we're gonna do next?
I don't know. Maybe we go to piano area. Maybe. I
Yeah.
don't know.
Okay. So we almost reached now. Hey guys, okay, what did we do this morning?
We went to.
We went
What is it called?
we went to the workshop.
Yeah, we went
Okay,
to the
we
workshop.
went to the workshop
We
together.
took two classes.
Yes, we took two classes. What were the first one?
The first one
Environment.
is environment
The
input,
second
and the second one is education.
Education. Okay, how do you guys feel about it?
It's really happy. Yeah, it's really good. The class is really good because we can get more idea to run our project when we go back to our country.
Okay.
I personally think it's very helpful and it inspired me a lot. I got a lot of idea from it. And
Yeah.
It's such a great time and a great opportunity to be here and to also be here and representing Cambodia
Yeah.
to those classes.
Yeah, of course. And for me, I think it's very great. Like it's inspiration for me to to start with our project. Like because we have like a project which related to that class related to environment. So
Yeah.
we feel like I feel like very honored to get a chance to enter that class. And okay, let's talk about the education class. Okay, how did you feel?
Education class inspired me a lot.
Yeah.
I got a few ideas from it,
Yeah,
and
of
I think
course.
it's really great. Though the lecture are very professional and very great and very friendly. It's a really great class, and the environment though. Can we take a time to talk about the environment? It's very modern.
Yeah, of
very
course.
modern.
This course is related to our project.
Yeah, and we could get more, lots of idea more, like we could include that into our project. And also I could get, let me go to the education class, like we get more idea and such a encouragement, like more,
Yeah.
like she told like a very wisdom word.
Yeah, she
And,
encouraged us a lot.
yeah, like if we don't know unless we try it, like, and if we try it, like if it fail, it's okay
Yeah,
because
just go for it.
Yeah,
At least you try.
Yeah, at least you try.
Yeah.
It's better than those who didn't try. Yeah.
You guys are taking photos without me, right?
Oh no!
You asked.
Yeah, we are talking
video.
about.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a video.
Hello.
Yeah, we are talking about the class the workshop that we did. Okay, how do you feel about it?
The workshop we go there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was very sleepy and I
Oh my God! You are.
I didn't get anything.
Okay. Okay.
And so I eat a lot.
Hello.
I eat a lot of hamburgers.
Okay, thank you so much for like extra
Sharing.
information.
Extra information.
extra information.
So
It's very
detailed,
good.
so detailed.
So detailed. Like more detailed than us, right? Like yeah, okay. Thank
Just
you.
happened to appear into the camera just for.
Yeah.
By the way, I'm from Myanmar.
And
I'm from Laos.
yeah. Myanmar. So yeah, we're glad that we have you guys here in the video. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you guys.
Okay.
Thank you
Bye-bye.
very much for watching. Bye bye.
We're gonna go out. I hate sport.
So it's a great opportunity here. Okay. There we go. We're gonna be playing sport. That's so cool. I'm so excited. I've never experienced this kind of thing before.
Summarize like a magnet. Hello. No. One, two, three. Flip it, you.
1, 2, 3. This one. Okay, I'll win. I'm the winner.
Chelsea, we believe in you. You can do it.
Hurry.
Hey, believe it. I just played that song.
Hey, Fern.
What did we just do just then?
We just played a tic-tac-toe game and we are divided into teams and I don't know who won and who lose. I think we are a loser.
Okay. How was the game? Is it good, the game? How was the game?
Good, but so tired.
Yes.
And the last turn, I understand the rules. You know.
I think it's really fun. Before I was the blindfolded, but now I'm not. So the blindfolded have to pick each ball, and then have to throw it into another blindfolded. Then like other heavy, okay? Okay, and I will tell you to turn left, turn right, and then there's another game that we're playing right now. We're gonna place the ball on the ring. Go! Time. Okay, so we're gonna go back. Are you here? Yeah. forget to give me a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and turn the bell post notification on to be notified. Let me know what you think by commenting down below and I hope you have a great time. Bye. Thank you for watching.